And welcome back, everyone, for a new weekly stream with Mitchell. James,
Hello.
how are you doing?
Yes, all good, all good. How are you?
Nice. Yeah, I think it's great. I'm
Perfect.
having a blast.
That sounds like
Yes. How was your week, man?
yeah, busy, but we had good weather, so went outside.
Oh, there is good weather in Netherlands. Is that possible?
Yes, it's good weather. It's starting to get summer again, so that's always
Nice,
good.
nice.
And that means we can make money as well, right? Bitcoin going up.
Exactly, especially when you have nothing to do. And
Yeah.
GM, tipo, GM, K, GM, yeah, GE, whatever. Yeah, but we're like, yeah, the market, bro, the market is,
Positive.
yeah, and it's appreciative. Like that.
It's much better than
Yeah,
the amounts that we named that it could go to.
I mean, yeah, but okay. So I have the CoinGecko here. Bam, bam. Honestly, okay. So Bitcoin is back to 100K,
Mhm.
but talking ETH 50% in 7 days, man.
Yeah.
Like what? Jesus, XRP 21%. Damn. And Solana 26, bro. That's
So
Christmas.
Ethereum is doing the best of all.
Thanks to the Pectra, right? Like the Pectra update, right? Upgrade. Yeah. So yeah, Ethereum is becoming like Solana, and Wells liked it.
Yeah. They just buy more, but
Yeah.
it's not where it was.
Yeah.
So
No,
it has
yeah,
a long way to go.
it's still like like 50% half of all-time high, right? But
Yeah,
yeah,
and then if you compare it, it's at 50%, and Bitcoin is at the all-time high almost.
yeah, yeah.
So then the 50%, yeah,
So all-time, yeah. So 4%, yeah. 108.
hmm
If
almost 5K,
40,
right?
yeah,
Yeah,
45, and Soul was like what
300.
yeah, 300. So yeah, 4 months ago. 4 months ago, Jesus,
Yes.
damn. I mean, yeah, okay, I would not say that Solana is sleeping. Like, still, people are like doing a lot of thing on Solana. We're gonna talk about that after.
hmm
But I mean, yeah, like the upgrade for like the ETH upgrade with Pectra stuff, like kind of boring, man. Like after what? No, 5 years it's Solana. So yeah, 10 years. I think Ethereum is 10 years, right? A little bit
hmm
less. They're still upgrading the network because it's not fast. I mean,
Yeah.
there is
Well,
some first mover like disadvantage, right? Because then you have to create new technology and stuff, right? So and then Solana came after like the first experience of ETH and can fix everything um, by just doing it better because they have learned out of like ETH misadventure.
hmm
But like
but basically, they let everybody overpay for 10 years.
yeah, mm, yeah, it's it's complicated. Like again, like the UX UI. I don't know. Like they said, like we have there's like less and less gas fees are like 40% done and shit.
hmm
But like yeah, is that exciting? I don't know. And this shit like with the oh yeah, is deflationary again after the Pectra upgrade. We already had that like 2 years ago. So I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, Panda is back. Let's go. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey.
I mean, sleeping in relation to its run versus other coins lagging behind a bit. Yeah, but like again, 40% like all time high. Yeah, $300  4 months ago. It had its run, and still like I think the market is still Bitcoin. Like it's still like a majority of focus on Bitcoin and memes. So alt, it's kind of
Kind of normal, right? All the big countries are buying Bitcoin, screaming Bitcoin
yeah.
use, and nobody is screaming, let's buy Solana.
Oh, Litecoin except Panda.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's check. Let's check the Litecoin price. Tag. Where is it? Where is it? What? Wait, what? What?
That is.
Did you saw
Oh,
it?
yeah, you went by it.
Oh, my bad. Oh yeah, 25. Uh,
It's like,
okay, yes, 35%. Yeah, bro, the price action is pretty cool.
yeah. So that
Yes,
was a good call.
but that just Panda buying that shit. Like he's the only buyer.
he sold one of his cars and bought more.
Yeah, exactly. But okay, he went from 70 to 100. Yeah, that's good. In like since April, like a month, April, May. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, Panda. Love you, Panda. Love you.
Yes,
Love you.
always happy to have you here.
Yeah, but yeah, okay. So yeah, the market is green. It's good. The macroeconomy is kind of shit. There's still like global war left and right, and people are starting new conflicts too.
Yeah, but we now have a new pope, right? And he said we need world peace.
Yeah, no, exactly. Like, yeah, I think he wanted to pump his bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said that because yeah, well, peace on you, and then pump my crypto bag.
Yes.
Because he's American too, right? So I think
It works only one way.
yeah, he bought some Litecoin just before getting being elected Pope, and then
Yeah.
both. Then it's good. It's good. Good
I
to me.
don't know. Did any Pope coins? Did they come?
Yeah, proof.
I
Do you
didn't
really want
follow
to
the meme coin
let's find
market.
and check like the popcoin?
Yeah.
But Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin 20. Oh, okay, it's not doesn't have the run that I expected. Yeah, fuck. November. Yeah, still lagging.
You don't hold them anymore, right? You
No, no,
sold them
no, no.
already.
I think that was that like with a meme coin that was like Dogecoin would have been like so obvious to go to $1 or at
Hmm.
least going back to 50 cent and maybe yeah all time high like 80 cent. But yeah, it's not playing out. I don't care. I don't hold any shit.
Cool.
I don't hold any. But yeah, other than that, what do you own anything or outside of Solana?
No, not much.
Anything?
Nothing worth mentioning.
Yeah. Okay. So
So if everything bumps or doubles, I'm not being a millionaire.
yeah. Oh shit. Not yet. In the
Not,
making.
not yet. We need a bit more.
Yeah. And Tipoof is also an abstract. Oh, I went to. I'm now silver on abstract. Let's go.
Oh,
Let's go.
nice.
Yeah, let's go. So cool. And but I'm I'm just collecting points. I'm waiting for the airdrop. Let's see where this it goes. Okay, so Bitcoin at 100K. Do you see like do you think it will hold like it will hold like 100K during the summer?
Yeah, I'm not the one to to know the prices because I'm wrong every time. But I think it will be hard to
Crypto-
keep going up.
It's I don't think like going crazy yet. Like I don't see like a 2x on Bitcoin like 200K. Uh, I think double top. Yeah, double top would say like it's a fucking we're going south now.
Yeah,
We're going south. Yeah, is that sell in May and go away? Like it's we are starting. We have 2 weeks to sell and then go away, and then come back in September.
yeah. If you cannot hold your money for 4 years in Bitcoin, make sure to get some profits.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, like, do you see a bear market now? Like, are we double like topping for? No, I don't think so. I think
No, 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 not directly.
yeah,
It is finally going up a little bit.
yeah, yeah. Like, but I mean, that's that looks like a double top. That
Hmm.
could be a double top. Yeah, it needs to be confirmed, but I don't see us like going way higher than that. Like there is not really a momentum that will drive like
Yeah,
the
but it is not like if the big investor companies or the countries buy that they just go to Binance and keep buying.
yeah, exactly. I mean, okay, so look, like that's what we did last year, right?
Hmm.
From March to July, September, a little bit, and then boom. Uh, That would be a cool playoff again. Like nothing happened during all of the year, like the whole year. We just range and then 200K.
Yes, first some sideways.
Yes, I like that. I think double top like last time. But wait. Oh, are you talking about this? Okay. Okay, so is that last time 2021 Panda?
Yeah, that was the last bull, right?
Yeah. But yeah, then bro, we went from 65 to 15. Jesus. So we would go like 50K. Yeah, we would lose like 50%. Yeah, it could be. The market is not really the same neither, right? Like there is way more institutional money now. They can drive the market down to buy it for cheap, but I don't know.
Yeah, but don't you think if it really was that case that it would have already gone up for further?
Yeah, we didn't like if we I mean you can count like the from 15K to 100K, like we already had a bull run.
Yeah,
And now like we had this legged up, we had the double top, and now we go south until yeah, next year, and then 2026 we are like pump again. But then that if we run if we go down, yeah, it's whatever.
at
Uh,
least for sure, I'm not investing right now in Bitcoin.
you know. Yeah, no, like no. Right now I'm sitting on my hands, just building the next business. So that's what's up. And collecting some puff.
It's almost payout date, right?
Yeah, like I'm waiting. I think it will come like tomorrow. We're gonna talk about that after, but I think 10 a.m. my time, I should be able to claim some FAF that I will see what I'm going to do with that. I'm level like 47 twice on my two wallet.
Hmm.
Over 800 wallets on the leaderboard.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, we'll see how they split that. They are buying paper Bitcoin, no influence on actual short. Yeah, yeah. Oh, why did okay, wait. I'm thinking about something. Do you know what's a Lombard credit? So okay,
Should I know?
uh, because I heard that France wanted to do like a crypto Lombard credit. I'm I'm typing in Google. Heard about France? Oh, France
Yeah.
Lombard credit crypto. And I'm
Are you
just
actually Googling or are you
yeah,
using a chat?
yes. Okay, cool. So France finally legalized Lombard credit. It was yeah yesterday. Lombard credit backed by crypto, which is insane because a Lombard credit is. I'm gonna read the definition. It will
Hmm.
be um, back specialized form of personal lending in which banks grant secured credit note to private wealth management. Okay. So basically, you give your crypto and you borrow money on your
Hmm.
asset, and that's it. So you borrow like you don't sell, so you don't have like a fucking tax on selling your crypto, but
Hmm.
you have hard cash because you take a loan. Like it's like using um
Yeah,
uh
the crypto is collateral.
yes, exactly. Yes, in other words, Bitcoining and crypto become debt based. Yes, exactly.
Yes.
But the to have access to a Lombard credit and like that facility, you need to be rich. So basically, France is becoming a crypto paradise for rich people.
But doesn't that work like leverage? Because if Bitcoin is the basis for you lending money and it halves in price in the market, does that mean that they liquidate everything and you
Yeah,
have?
but that like the banks will offer that kind of credit. Like the banks, you can go to fucking like BNP Paribas bank
Mhm.
and bring your little crypto,
And they
and
give you money?
yeah, exactly. But I think doing what you can do with like a DeFi, but from the bank, which is like fucking insane. Um, like, yeah, credit number. It's completely against everything they preach on X about, oh yeah, crypto are not safe, blah blah blah. And then because people don't understand shit about finance,
Mhm.
then they create laws about that kind of tools, and only the rich, like multi-million hedge fund and high VIPs,
Mhm.
can have access to those tools. It's fucking insane.
Yes. But I still think it's tricky. If you have one Bitcoin at 100K and you lend 100K euros and
Uh,
Bitcoin halves and you need to pay back, then you pay back 100K to
yeah,
get 50K back.
yes, no, yeah, well, it's like yeah, but like that means you can
It's like the housing market.
yeah, yeah, but like it's like in DeFi, right? Like when
Mhm.
you put like one soul and you can borrow only 50% of your soul,
Yeah, yeah,
it's because they protect themselves against like a margin
against
call.
price drops.
Exactly. But you don't pay taxes on those
Ah,
instruments
of course.
because you didn't sell, you borrow cash. So
You can be creative.
just fucking yeah, like, that's how people, like rich people, like Panda stays rich.
Yeah.
He doesn't sell his Bitcoin, just borrow money.
See,
Yeah,
he knows you don't get market rates either.
see?
Yeah.
But you can also like do that in DeFi too. Like we have a shit ton of protocol left and right. So if you want
Yeah.
to stay full crypto, blah blah blah, you can just do that. But like the fact that they are going to institutionalize that kind of credit, if that goes into that direction, like I don't think it's like fully signed off. But yeah, I saw that on YouTube, and so
Yeah. But it's a good thing that people are talking about it and actually trying to get it done.
yeah. Yeah, but again, like it's just a tool for the rich,
Hmm.
not for like the retailers, and everyone wants to try to fuck retailers with like some regulation
Yeah.
because
And I
this,
don't think you can just say I have 0.01 Bitcoin. Can I get money, please?
yeah, like, yeah. Thing. But anyway, that was also a news, and I found it that funny. Okay, so now,
Uh oh.
uh, wait, yes,
No, no, you're going to announce something.
like what?
Share it.
Oh, okay. So there is a launchpad war on Solana right now. Everyone
Mhm.
is building a fucking meme coin launchpad, and it looks like Pub.Fun is losing some shares, market shares in the meme coin market. Is losing major dominance. White short side agent flocking to Bonk.Fun. Nothing wrong. The long side believer and flocking Believe app. So this one and Bonk Fun inactive. Okay, also check. So this one is the new one. Like honestly, I didn't test it. It's
Mhm.
like yeah, already have fucking vector bags. Yeah, whatever.
And you know that the market is getting better when you just get more and more notifications on your mobile. People are buying again.
Yeah, I don't know. But like the angle for that is so you can first you can launch a coin directly on X
Mhm.
with like some command, and it's definitely getting some traction. Like you tweet that, and then like that's it, you have your token. And it looks like it's more oriented into startups.
Mhm.
So it could replace the VC game. That's the bet.
Ah, okay.
But yeah, I think we are a bit far away from that for real. But yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Do you think like there is enough space for
Well,
the tool?
Pump.fun was making millions per day. So there is enough to to share.
Yeah, no, for sure. Okay, fees are split 50-50 between the builder and Believe. To claim your share, simply link your X account or whatever. Yeah,
Mhm.
so there's like again like Tom creator sharing process. Again, that's gonna be the next tweet. But Pub.fun also launched that, which I think it's big. I don't know if it's too late or not.
Yeah, but you see, now they get competitors and now they start sharing money.
Yeah,
If there were no competitors, they would not have done it.
yeah, no, oh, yeah, of course.
No.
But I mean, it's it kind of remind me like the marketplace going like zero fees,
Mhm.
and
Yeah.
then killing their business because they just wanted to have like traction and stuff, right?
Mhm.
Like okay, so for example, if you launch a meme coins today and you get like 10,000 million in trading volume, you earn 5K.
Mhm.
That's not a lot because you can do that. Like you launch a coin and you do a LP, then you can even have like more fees.
Yeah, but it's extra.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, if you make 10 million and if you don't have a LP, yeah, for your token, you miss some stuff.
That was just your one lucky pump.
Yeah, exactly. So, oh, oh yeah, okay, okay. From get elephant in the room. Anyone get their SNS airdrop? Yes. Did you see that? Uh,
Did see it. I read it, but I didn't spend time to check if I even got something.
you need to have at least one .sol domain on your wallet to be eligible to that.
Oh, I have that somewhere. I think on my ledger.
Okay, so you have like I think you have 2 days. No, 11 days. Okay, wait. Airdrop is ready. You have companies Q3. Where is it? I think you have time, but yeah, until August 11th.
Mhm.
I did it. I claim $5
Oh.
worth of SNS token
Mhm.
because I only have one domain. But I honestly I don't know anything. I just dump it. I don't know what you did care about that, but I fucking dump it, bro.
Yeah. I have no idea on what wallet my domain is. And you had to pay every 2 years for your domain, right?
No, I bought like a Bonfida domain, and I think they renamed.
Yeah.
I think it's still
I
Bonfida, right? And
I did it in 2021 and I
yeah,
never looked at it.
and yeah,
Let me check.
I'm down $200 right now since I was late to sell. Yeah, because bro,
Unstoppable. That's why. Oh no, those
oh,
were the other ones.
okay, because look the
Oh.
price action, man.
Then how many did you get if you are 200 down already? One red candle.
Yeah, it's yeah, yeah. That's what I was thinking. Yeah, so it was Bonfida rebranded to SNS. Yeah, welcome to utility tokens.
Yes. And still, you can still dump because I think it will go even lower.
Oh, it will go to zero. I got around. Damn. Okay.
So how many domains did you have if you got 70K?
70K. Yeah, that's good. Because I had like 1K SNS and I only had 1,000. So
Mhm.
I guess K like bought. It was farming domain names.
Yeah, well, good for him.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Yeah.
Because yeah, 17 it will be worth. What is the swap? Yeah, $20. Damn. Yeah, that's gonna pay the internet bill.
Yes.
But yeah, 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 exactly. Like I got like exactly.
The low digit domains.
I only had a few domains, but also have some low digit domain. Okay. That's cool. Yeah, is there still a market for domain names on Sol? Like, if it's not your fucking
I have never seen people buying and selling domains anymore
yeah,
on Solana.
there's massive speculation and like some people that bought that shit. Same thing than the speculation that you had, like on the .com businesses. Like
Hmm.
I know, 10 years ago, like there was a startup that had not a startup, like it was like a retail company. They had the domain name shoes.com,
Oh, nice.
bro. When they sold the company, the
Hmm.
domain name was worth more than the company itself.
Yeah. But domain name is still good trade.
I
I,
mean,
I think,
shoes.com, bro. Like,
yeah, but also normal names. I still buy for my customers a few domain names per year, and they
mm,
go up to 5 or 10K for a name.
yeah, yeah. It's yes. Sometimes it's mad. Like even like a .ai, that shit is like $90 a year. Like,
Yeah.
what the fuck, man?
Yes. All the people on Anguilla are rich.
um,
And I know someone on Anguilla. Maybe we should just contact him and set up
yes.
a company.
Yeah, but like for example, like if you want like your name on .ai because that's your country and stuff, and then you have to pay like $80 instead of 7, that's annoying. But yeah. Anyway, it's AI, it's cool. So yeah, that was like the one of the airdrop of the day. I don't know what the fuck that going to do. Like, okay, like, do you know anything about the roadmap about the SNS? Like, what are they gonna do? Like, that's are you going to speculate on that shit? Like, but I'm not touching it. I can tell you that. I'm not touching it. Um, yeah, okay. So if we talk about if yes, launchpad. So yes, we have Believe name turned into a coin powered by Believe app. Believe app. Believe in something. Reply to any tweet with launchcoin plus name to turn it into a coin. Yeah. Downtime right now. The extreme live volume. Noodle just launched on Believe. Believe is going to
But
do.
how does it work? They create a coin and you have nothing because you're not the owner, right?
Exactly. So on pub.fun, you can buy your supply when you know your wallet and stuff, right?
Yeah.
I don't really get it, like the fucking different. Okay, I, because bro, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Believe is going to disrupt traditional venture capital and revolutionize how founders raise funding. We are running ahead of no, but the YC of decentralized era. Yeah, continue. No, head of operation. Happy to have lunch, buddy. Yeah, we're gonna talk about that after, like the buddy
Hmm.
point, because that's gonna be thing.
Well,
Um,
for me, I don't see the benefit of belief, but sometimes I'm late in the market and I miss the boat.
uh, but you me too, bro. Objective is to create an amazing experience for both founders and traders. One thing we have consistently for traders, believe coins needs to have more utility. Next week or so, we are rolling out tools to make this possible. Deflationary, coin utility, airdrop, investment, access, Discord access. Wow, bro, what the fuck? We did that. We did all of that shit in
Yeah.
2021,
Do
man.
you see anything new?
No. I mean, it can be all marketing and like segmentation too, right? Like if they are like the launchpad for startup um to raise money with initial like basically ICO. Uh, do
Yeah.
you remember the meme coin that launched that went to shit after 24 hours?
Which one?
Oh,
All of them.
like the one that was launched by a Silicon Valley team. Fuck, forgot.
Well, I know when I see this, there are so many bigger companies that have APIs and all these tools integrated and are multi-chain and are
Yeah,
proven, and software development gets ready to go.
it's
So yeah, I don't see why we need just a new one who makes this nice design and says, "Hey, this is what we have."
yeah, yeah. Or maybe because they don't know the market, so they did that, and then say, "Oh yeah, but bro, we have Matrika."
Yeah.
The meme coin I was talking about is Jelly.
Hmm.
Jelly.
Yes, I've been trading that one.
Okay, it's not that bad, man. Actually,
Oh, it actually went up again.
yeah. So you have the initial craze, but then
Hmm.
yeah, okay. So then you go to the down to the drain. But okay, so they went like low at 6 million, and now they are like 60. So 10x.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
It's probably because the Believe app that's pushing this meta.
Hmm.
Like they push like the startup slash company meme coin stuff, and then people are buying back because of Jelly. Jelly was like the first one to do so.
Yeah, that's the one they remember.
Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, maybe that can be something that needs to be tracked. I don't know. Okay, Panda, are you going to buy some jelly, or do you believe in like startup founders raising money via token allocation or token launch?
Or did you actually quit crypto at all?
Yeah, it's kind of bro. It's tricky as fuck, man. Because like, okay, so you're a startup, you want to launch your business,
Hmm.
and then you add a token to your like without being Web3 native, right?
Yeah.
Um, you
Well, they
add a
see it, they say, oh, we have a token, let people buy, get some money in, and then they get robbed.
yeah. So not sure they can go either way. Yeah. Thank you, Kay. Yeah, it's yeah, I don't know, man. Like it's I can't imagine like the advisor calls they had, like say, should we do it? Should we do it or not? Are we going to kill the company? You never know.
Yeah.
So okay, SNS we don't, credit Lombard credit we good. Yeah, so that was the launch pad. Okay.
We have a wise panda in the room.
You can spend your money and hope you're gonna make it, or you can spend your money on your own and take all of the jelly. Yeah, for sure. Rush action looks good. So no, for sure. Like jelly is nice. Um, for believe, um,
Yeah. But how many other coins are people going to buy now because Jelly went back up? So you're gonna have a lot of speculators who say, "Hey, this one went up, maybe this one as well."
I mean, launch coin. So I think that's the Jesus. Fuck. 1 hour, 4 hours. Damn. What the fuck?
That's nice.
Yeah. I can then sustain it more than a week.
No, if you have it, dump it now.
For sure.
Don't wait a week.
Yeah. Top traders, PNL. Let's go. Half a mil. Let's go. Jesus, bro. We are so back. But nothing. Sold 300K. Let's go. But nothing. 300. Yeah, it's probably like some advisor and stuff.
Yeah.
2K, 200K. Yeah. I mean, I would love to see like real business tokenization, like startup founders that are jelly slash launch coin that shit.
Yeah, but that's hard because they need more time. And that doesn't fit in the memcoin market where everything needs to be done in a day.
Until it's the fucking it's the meta. Like I want. Do you know Alex Finn?
Hmm.
So Creator Buddy is an AI tool to write better tweet on the timeline. Right, I'm gonna show you everything. But so he launched his token with Launchcoin, and because of the success of Launchcoin, then Buddy went from 1 million, sub 1 million, 200K to damn 12 million. And honestly, like it's a pretty cool app. Like I used it for a month, like I tried it out.
Hmm.
Then I stopped because I used the ChatGPT for all to my tweets. Um, so Alex Finn is one of the biggest account um, talking about like the X algo and like doing some creator economy content. And yeah, so he built like an app that he is not a dev. He learned dev with like just AI as like
Hmm.
a vibe coder, and he's making like 300K in recurring revenue, annual recurring revenue, with Creator Buddy, and um he launched Buddy with Launchcoin, like at the beginning of the month. And look, affiliates.
So he knows how to write correct questions for the AI and
Yes,
give the correct commands to get good code back.
Kevin Digo is part of the team slash advisor.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's big. Like it's honestly it's pretty cool. I don't know the rest of the affiliate though. Social media expert. But okay, so and honestly, bro, like the website is kind of like low-key shit. Like it's not crazy. You can see it's like basic front end stuff. Like it's not high end front end technical stuff. But like that, for example, I know that Minus generate that shit for me
Mm-hmm.
when I tried out the API and stuff. Like that's exactly what AI will do when you ask them to talk about this.
But he makes enough money for, yeah, it's good enough.
Exactly, bro. Like AI coding make you 300K a year. You're good.
Yes, perfect.
Oh yeah, wait. Too many coins okay, wait. So you have the bag. Too many coins market is saturated. Launch coin rug incoming. Impossible. Most of what we see now is just copy of things that did well start of the season. Yeah, but then we have another cycle, and then we're doing it all over again. I think Launchcoin can have some hype, or at least for a week. We will see what
Yeah.
goes. But this meta is interesting because again, like that's the real builders, right? Like they
Mm-hmm.
build a business, they get revenue, and then they launch a coin to get like more attraction. And then like, okay, so it looks like the token is not incorporated to the app right now, but you can expect some discount if you paid in Buddy or something, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it
Yeah,
could
but
be.
that's a good one.
Yeah, no, no, for sure. And okay, so you have like AI content coach, algo analyzer. I don't have my account anymore because I cancel it. But yeah, so basically it can analyze your timeline. It take like all of your tweet and can tweet like you. You still have to press for the like to send it
Mm-hmm.
finally.
But
But
it gives you proposals.
yeah, not exactly. And honestly, I think it worked pretty well. And
Mm-hmm.
like a shit ton of testimonials that you can see on Alex timeline that's saying like creator buddy like works really well for them. So like yeah, it's and he's like he built it alone, like all by himself. 19 yeah, he was explaining on the Kevin Digot podcast that he had like a 90% margin on his
Mm-hmm.
business. Great.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
Good for
Um,
him.
Okay, so for the launchpad, I think we talk about it, whatever. Creator buddy, bam. Um, we apply to earn. We are doing what has yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's what everybody says.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried that with Watch to Earn, bro.
Yeah.
As a community, become the number one. Every piece of feedback given has been implemented. That's true. Like I DM'd him in the he's in my DM. We talk, we chit chat
Mm-hmm.
together, and yeah, honestly, he's a pretty great at feedback and stuff. So I like the guy. He's a nice guy. Biggest growth week for Creator Buddy. We have hit a tipping point. People are starting to take notice. Every space, live stream, whatever. Yeah. New item added to roadmap. No joke, the greatest feeling in the world is building shit that people use and love. Yeah, that's true. I mean, yeah, and if you make like a quarter of million after a few months of dev, that's cool. It's a great feeling. Creator going instantly viral. Most talk about AI tool of 25. Yeah, calm down, bro. Calm down.
Yeah. But your AI tool is going to do the same, right? Yes.
Yeah, that's a goal. Stay subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about AI tools. I still have some integration to do after the stream, but yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want.
Almost done.
Yeah,
Soon. And
yeah,
it's something that has never been done before.
Yeah, exactly. And I never said that. That will it take me like a little bit more than expected to make
Did you code yourself or did you have the AI code?
both. Like I have a peer programmer, like yeah.
I don't trust the AI.
I mean, like Manus, like I kind of reward what that shit made for me. So it was too junior for me. But yeah, again, like if you don't know anything, you're just gonna fight with the AI to because okay, what I've used the AI to like check some function and stuff like that.
Mhm.
And basically, it you send it, it fix A, and then it
It makes a mistake in B.
and then you want to fix B, and then it is going to fix B, and but like forget about A. So then A is coming back and say, "What the fuck, bro?"
Yeah. And then you tell him, don't look at all the other stuff. Only this bug needs to be fixed.
Yeah, no, no.
And he puts in additional code that you
Yeah.
don't want.
And then it changed the language you're coding with. It did
Yes.
Python reply. Oh, fuck off. But on it, like I like this movement. I mean, again, like if crypto and token can be rewarded for other like real business, that would be cool. Damn, like okay, that's gonna okay. We are busy. We are busy this week.
Yes.
Fucking crazy. Okay, so ref share we did it. Memcon launchpad is fine. Oh, bro,
What did we miss?
Frankie
Oh,
is not the CEO of the gods. Thank you for everything. The other Forever Legend. Yeah, 1 million impression. Jesus.
yes.
Um,
And a lot of reactions. And I think it's like 50-50, right?
yeah,
50% of the people love him for what he did, and the other 50 say he's a scammer.
yeah, real. But wait, did it deleted some tweets? Oh, okay, no. So yeah, today is my last day as CEO of the gods. My chapter is closing, but the story is not over. The god without Frank. I mean,
Yeah.
good luck to chill and pasta, but it's gonna be tough. It's gonna
Yeah.
be.
I only feel like he left now after the market died, the whole NFT market.
Yeah.
He did everything that was possible to do. I think.
That's my take too. Like, yeah,
So, what are they going to do now?
exactly. Yeah, right. What the fuck are they gonna do? 3 years of sleepless nights trying to make the Golden Youth a success. I'm proud of the work I did. I'm excited to end the rain to the team and watch them cook. Maybe we will look back at the fixation on Frank Zigot as the thing that was holding us back. I don't think. Not sure about that.
No.
At time, I feel like the hate was over. Yeah, that's massive. Like the hate he got like on social. I think it's probably like what killed him, like killed his mood
Mhm.
with the project. But also like when you make like a multi-million dollars in trading meme coins, there is no absolutely no reason of like building an NFT project that's going to zero, right?
No, but yeah, and even if he did all good, people are always jealous and always want to earn as well. But you
Plus,
don't put in the money and the time and the effort that he did.
yeah, and also like shitting on Frank was making a shit ton of impressions.
Yeah,
So
it made him even more money.
yeah, exactly. So yeah, you get some X payout by shitting on Frank. So yeah, I mean, like when you're coming back like after a month's break and you still make 1 million, like, you're still living rent free in the heads of a lot of people.
Yeah.
The best part of the last few years was not the money or the cloud. It was meeting some of you. Some of you.
Did you meet him?
And
Did
so
he mention you?
yeah, like the first time I met him, like, I spent like the night in his bedroom with other guys.
It's going the wrong way.
We talk about youths, gods, and dust for
Mhm.
hours in his hotel room, like, and nothing else matter at all. Like, it was fucking locked into that shit. It was fucking amazing. It was like it was the first time I met him, and it's probably like my best memory with him. And after the dinner, like that was the best moment, um,
Yeah. But
like that we had with God and
to
stuff.
be honest, there is only a few people that can be so motivated and set up something this big and going on for this long and just keep coming back. So yeah, I
Yeah,
think he did good.
yeah, no, no.
Even
I mean, they got pushed Solana like to
yeah,
fucking like. I think MATLAB is still like around at kind of like high price because they got showed that it was possible to have expensive assets.
yeah. But
Like,
also MATLAB is a totally different project. This
yeah,
was marketing. They have tech.
yeah, yeah. Plus, like the impression that that was generated on X. Like for example, the mint, they got like so. I don't know if you were around by that time, but like for the before
Yeah,
the
I
mint,
missed it.
now after the mint,
Hmm.
they had like they put together a one pager with like 33 influencers,
Hmm.
and we had to tweet to the influencer to talk about DGod. That one page made 1 million unique impression in 2021.
Yeah,
Like nobody ever did that whatsoever, bro. Like it was insane. And then season three, right? Like
yeah,
dust stacking for token, art upgrade, all of that shit was coming from DGod. Like DGod was trendsetters.
yeah. And that's what I mean. You can say whatever you want, but
Yeah,
he
exactly.
did a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, no, for sure. So yeah, when people say, "Oh yeah, no, what did you do? You just partied and stuff," like, yeah,
And I also think people forget. So once something has been figured out and it's working,
yeah,
it's so much easier than when you need to create it, build it, think of
exactly.
it, manage all the problems as the first dev. And
Yeah. No, no, for sure. Yeah, and they had like big fucked up. Like for example, they tried to launch a marketplace for NFTs that never like the NFT were locked and stuff. They had to remint them. They tried to make like a crypto forum, like to like so many iteration of shit and stuff.
yes,
Like,
I've been up so many nights for the Youth Mint. And then I
yeah,
slept out in the morning and I woke up and my wife asked, "Are we millionaires?" And I said, "No,
yeah.
it didn't mint."
Yeah, I haven't like bro, like the public mint and the pre-sale for DGod, like I think I stayed up to 3 a.m. or something, and it was scheduled at 10 p.m. Like
Yeah,
then they
but
just fucking drop like
I
the
think that was like every project that went that way in the beginning of crypto and
yeah, no,
NFTs.
exactly. But yeah, I mean, it's so yeah, I don't know what is going to do now, but yeah, that's the
Yeah,
final.
no NFT project and no mem coins, I think. At least
Yeah,
not publicly. Publicly.
I think banks mentioned like Face Bank, one of his friends from like
Mhm.
mentioned that now he's playing poker.
Yeah. Well, it's time to go to Vegas.
Yeah. I mean, he's multimillionaire now, so yeah, let's go. I'll put some money in DeFi. Okay, so yeah, and okay, last news. Fuck, we talk about news for 1 hour. It's crazy shit, man.
Yeah. It has been a long time since we had
Yes.
so much news.
And this I don't know if I can show that on YouTube, but should be fine. Yeah, in Paris, yeah, two people close to the cryptocurrency world were target on attempted kidnapping in Paris, like Per Valeur Actuels, which is like a newspaper in France. Yeah, like they try to kidnap
I think the daughter of a
the
crypto
daughter of
platform owner,
yeah, exactly.
but I don't know who it was, but it even made the news, the national news website here in Netherlands.
Bro, like no, because like I think a month ago, like the co-founder of Ledger
Hmm.
got kidnapped and
Hmm.
they cut his finger, and it also kidnapped his wife.
Yeah. People know there is money.
Yeah, but I'm yeah, and it's some weird ass like stuff. Like because even like I was listening a podcast to the with like the co-founder of Ledger, and he was talking about like the people who prepared that they
Hmm.
were in Africa and like in Nigeria or something, and they have like some mafia there that just target like crypto guys. And yeah, bro, like
Yeah, yeah. That's also a multi-million dollar company
yeah,
just on the black market.
yeah, exactly. So yeah, bro, like if France is start to be. wild. I'm not living in Malta, by the way. I've changed.
Yeah.
I'm from Malta. I'm not. I'm somewhere else. Yeah,
But yeah, it's insane that it happens, and just here on light day,
yeah. Not like they don't give a shit, man.
you
But
even there is somebody watching there in the store.
there is a fucking guy here, bro. Oh yeah, I don't think you can see my. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
There is a guy watching.
and they just continue.
Like, what the fuck? Okay,
Yeah,
I can make it bigger, but yeah, that's the guy. There is a guy watching, like two people like beating up someone. Like, what the heck? And he closed the door. I think at some point.
yeah, and then you
Yeah,
get the
I think
person coming in with the fire extinguisher.
yeah, yeah. I think it's this guy. Like, it's the dad or something. Like, I don't know, but yeah, he's throw.
Yeah, there he is.
Yeah, this guy try to protect them, but yeah,
But on the other hand, if you're just walking daily there in Paris, this is not something that you expect to see.
yeah, no, it's mad, bro. Like, yeah,
Yeah.
crazy.
But I'm still curious, how is your Flash token going?
So let's
How
talk.
much money did you make?
So I will tell you that tomorrow.
Tomorrow, you're going to be a 5 millionaire.
Yes, let's go. That's what's up. So first, they also release the leaderboard. Okay, so that's so the epoch
Hmm.
is gonna be done tomorrow at 10 a.m. my time.
Hmm.
So I have there is like 22 million FAF to be distributed, and they just launched the leaderboard with voltage that I expect that shit to be uh, like it will be like they will use the leaderboard to distribute the token
Hmm.
based on what you have and like your level and stuff, like a voltage point that you have. It should increase. Wait, where is it? Okay, so API is based on the reward that fast stack for sale will accrue at 1x multiplier. So yeah, okay. Um, I will tell you tomorrow, like, how it works. But I think like the ranking here, there should be like some pro rata
Hmm.
of distribution, and I'm level 50
Well,
twice.
that's not too bad.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But bro, that the like the token going to shit, man. Like,
Yeah.
it's not sexy.
Well, that's what we expected.
Yeah, but for once we were right, and
And that was not a good ride.
like, okay, so it even lost 10%. Yeah, because like everyone is expecting a dump tomorrow.
Hmm.
Market cap 1.3 and volume 25k. Okay, that's good. Like, I think last week we had like a 9k of volume, right?
Hmm.
But yeah, it's just going down. And because like, I mean, if the reward are good, maybe people, instead of selling, will just stack it to earn more like next month. That's a possibility. But like, for example, for me, uh, so
But the only benefit is the multiplier, the additional percentage you get
yes,
on your
okay,
own
okay.
state.
So yeah, I read a little bit more the documentation because
Hmm.
I wanted to understand. So so for me, I'm helping. I have some liquidity here, and I'm getting voltage when I collect the reward. Okay,
Hmm.
so uh, like, yes. So when I collect the reward, I get voltage point.
Hmm.
The voltage point gives me a level here, and it's the multipliers of what I have, like what I will get here. So it
Hmm.
increase the more point I have, the more activity I have on the platform. Um, the
The higher reward you will get at
exactly
the end of the epoch.
yeah, exactly, like the multipliers increase, and the more FAF you have, the more bonus you get using the platform. So
Mm-hmm.
right now I have 200k FAF stake, and I get like 7% discount on the fees if I trade, etc. Yield booster. So that's what I explained last week.
Mm-hmm.
The rev share fee is like 70% for yes, 70% for like the LPs guys, and 30% for flash trade.
Mm-hmm.
If I get a yield booster, I get 8.5 percent more. So I get 70%, 78.5%.
Yeah, and Flash takes 21.5.
Exactly. And yeah, referral rebate, blah blah blah. Okay, cool. But okay, so level 4 is only 200, but to get to level 5, you need 1 million
Yes.
to get to 11%, right? I will wait a bit more for FAV to go down to before reaching that million
Mm-hmm.
token, right? Or maybe tomorrow, if I get a shit ton of token, then I will see how it goes.
Yes.
But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how much gonna be get distributed.
Yeah, but actually, they just reward the people who put in the money and are active and generate revenue. So
Uh, what?
they reward the people who are having money staked on the platform, who bought
Yes,
the
and are
tokens
active because
and
then
are active.
yeah, because with your activity, like for example, so see here, you have trading volume, you have helping, you have
Mhm.
referral and DeFi integration. I don't know what is it. Uh, I don't know.
Nobody has any XP, so maybe it's coming.
Yeah, it could be. Okay, I don't know what DeFi integration is, but yeah. So based on all of that, you get your point,
Hmm.
and they are not been oracle fucked yet. Nope, no, you can fuck the oracle. Don't, and alpha, don't fuck the oracle, please, because
Yeah, there are some people who have some money in it, so please.
yeah, exactly. So yeah, don't fuck it up, please. Thank you.
And if you do and you see the wallet Vincent, skip that one.
Thank you, appreciate you. And so yeah, so based on all of that, you get voltage point, and based off your voltage point, then you get rank, and based on your rank, I expect to get more token.
Yes.
That's it.
That's not a fun joke. Flash and it's gone.
I don't like Panda. I never like him. I know, but, yeah, yeah. Oh, Steph, what's up, GM Steph? GM. Do you think like 34 million trading volume in a month is a lot?
If I get 340 million in a month, no, that's not a lot.
Yeah. Oh,
So that is like 10 million per day, 11 million.
oh. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Compare it to pump or something, or
Yeah, true. uh, wait. So, EVL. Um.
but you can compare it to. Can you see what Yup does, just to see the market share? Jupiter.
Oh yeah. GLP. I don't think there is the volume. Um. Okay. So APY 10%. That's the value lock. No, so
Hmm.
we don't want that. We want the volume. I don't see it here. I'm pretty sure we can find it in on DeFi Llama, but wait, Flash trade, yes. So 12 million on value lock and Jupiter. Yeah. Lock.
Yeah, Flash is really small.
Yeah, but I think honestly, I think it's an advantage for the users because you get more,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Per app volume, yeah, in 24 hours, 20 million. Yeah, but still, okay. Fee analyze 3 million of fees. That's still a good business.
Yes. And
Yeah,
just hope they are not a big target because they don't have that much fee lock of that much locked.
yeah, yeah. Please don't target Flash Trade. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah. So I mean, weekly cumulative. I mean, okay. Wait, they made eight nine. They made a week a week of pub.fun fees in a year.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck. I mean, it's still more than a lot of startups.
Yeah, it is still a good business model.
Yeah. Total value lock 103 pump revenue. Jesus, 2.6. Fuck off. 1.4 from pub.fun and 1.2. They have like double their revenue with PubSwap by launching PubSwap. Fucking crazy, bro. Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's mad. And okay, I think we
Well,
talked about everything.
yeah. And we will see tomorrow what you how many coins you get.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a tweet about it because I need to focus.
Yes. So follow Vincent.
But yeah, yes, please and follow Mitchell. But follow me for more flash news. Do you have anything you want to include in this little conversation, bro?
No, no, I have nothing. The only thing I'm curious about is Panda now making music?
What?
Is Panda making music? Alpha Panda music?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. He's making like some AI clip, music clip.
Oh,
Yeah.
so we see a rapping panda.
Yes, exactly. Like go to his channel. You can see. You know what? We can
Yes, show us as the last one.
we can go together. Uh, Alpha Panda music. Back, back. It's gonna be his first like live concert.
Cool.
You ready?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh. Oh.
oh.
You ever love so hard it turned you cold? Gave your last just to watch a story get sold. Ever kiss a man who carried a gun in bed? Sleeping light cause you're scared he aimed at your head? You ever bury your best friend, no casket? Just a mural, some candles, a shirt and a jacket? Ever talk to God with a blade to your wrist? Like take me now if heaven still exists? Yeah, I've been in there. Heart froze like a time lapse. Soul in the hoodie, walking life with a tight strap. I done smiled at snakes, shook hands with regret. Learn real fast that pain I'll never forget. Seen a man die for a chain he ain't wear. Seen loyalty fold in a courtroom chair. I done stood in the rain with a busted dream. Build hope from nothing like I bleed concrete. Can we build a life when the bricks all cracked? Yeah, but you gotta stack pain and never look back. What if love ain't safe in this battlefield heat? Then we hold hands tight even when the moon's weak. You ever lose your name to survival's grind? Wake up numb, but pretend you fine. Ever sell your body in a mental sense just to buy some peace with borrowed.
That's crazy AI shit, man. Like,
Yeah. It's actually looking good.
seeing that, that's insane. Right? That's.
When your presence feel dead. Ever
I think for the lip syncing, it's probably hard to do because it's
Mhm.
like an animal and the music. Like,
fight for a man who forgot your face, or you still carry his ghost every place. Yeah, I've been loved by women I ain't deserved, treated them wrong. Every took it worth it, my nerve. I was taught that love was weakness, truth was soft. Now I see that lie was the real trade-off. I broke trust, got played, felt shame. Slept on floors with roaches that knew my name. But I rose up, stitched wounds with rage. Now I write my sins in ink across this stage. Can we? Now I write my
Look at the dog. They are clipping. They are going through the legs.
sins and ink across this stage. Can we change? Or is this who we are? We the storm and the spark, the wound and the scar. If I fall, will you catch or fade? If you fall, I fight God for a second to trade. I ain't perfect, but I bleed truth in bars. I smile for funerals and nights behind bars. They see makeup curves, I see bruises, death. They see gold in my grill, I see blood for crit. This life don't love us when we ain't asking to. We just try to turn pain into something that's true. If love's a war, we the last two standing. Backs to the wall, still fighting, no landing. You see a queen, I see a survivor. You see a sinner, I see a fighter. What if I leave, I'll bleed in your steps. What if I say, then I'll never forget.
That's sick, eh?
Yeah, he did good.
Yeah.
Oh, scary panda.
Bro, like that can replace advertising. That can replace like even like in a year or two, you can have like high-end quality, even movies.
Yeah, you don't see the difference anymore with actual movies or
Yeah.
actual video clips.
A little bit, right? But like that's kind of like the level of product. I don't know.
Yeah, it is so much better than
Yeah.
so many years ago when they actually spent 2 months to make it.
Yeah. Like you can't. Okay, no, that's insane.
When the beast is up, better duck when the sound of rock.
Okay, no, that's plan is it's like it could be a real life shit. Like
Yeah, only 3 hours.
Streets when the beast is up. To a war zone stage, every beat I touch turn black and blue, like a bottle to the face beam. Underground beam, no throne, no crown, just a circle like a bottle.
only thing like I see that is lip syncing
Mhm.
that you would do better in animation, but it would take you fucking 2 weeks to do it.
Yeah, but on the other hand, I don't care. If the music is good and it's looking good, then
Oh,
the one lip sync doesn't matter.
Panda, is the music is also AI, like the lyrics and the soundtrack? Is that everything AI, or do you think on it?
Bottle to the face beam, underground beam, no bro, rebels and freaks. The night walker scribbling scriptures and beats. I don't flex with a Benz, I flex with the flame, and
I want, yeah, yeah, that's crazy.
I
Yeah.
ain't in your lane, I'm wrecking the
Even like you have an idea, you write the lyrics, you use AI to make them a little bit better, or like rephrase and stuff, or even you tell the AI to rewrite it in a certain way of like a rapper that you like, and then it's getting closer. Like,
game. I get this live trap for
is that Sora for the video? I think I would say that's what you use.
the game. I don't play the game, I burn the frame.
And even if you have like some skill in like video editing, you can. I'm pretty sure you can update it to like all of the clipping and like all of the weird stuff that AI makes. You can come back on it, and edit it. So basically, it's done like nice.
Live rap, this is live trap for the ones who spit facts where the sky's black. Keep your deals, keep your filters, keep your prop. This ain't no vibe rap. This is live trap for
Like,
the ones who spit facts where the
yes, Sora video, Suno music.
Yeah.
There are 10-sec clips I edit. Yeah, exactly. Bro, that's exactly how I edit. I build my app. I'm gonna put like shorts of like 30-second shorts, and it's all clip of like 3 to 5 seconds, and poop, poop,
Yes.
and that's it.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay. Wrap it up. Do we wrap it up with Panda? Okay, I'm gonna
Yes.
drop the channel for everyone. So Panda,
Okay.
you can subscribe to your own channel.
And
if you guys like some rap music, AI rap music, and basically subscribe to Panda because he's a nice guy. We love him. And that's a wrap.
Yes.
Anything else?
No, nothing else. I wish everybody a good day.
Yes. Enjoy your night. Sleep well, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Alpha channel. Follow Mitchell. Not in real life. We are talking
with a distance between us.
distance. Yes.
Yes.
And yeah, see y'all next week. Peace.
Yes.
And I'm gonna put
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. We'll see you in the next one. But before that, make sure to subscribe, like, and share the